Chugging fast and chugging slow, off it goes, choo choo choo. Engine, engine number two, rolling hills come into view. Whistle blows, the steam goes high, puffing clouds up in the sky. Engine, engine number three, crossing bridges over the sea. Wheels go clickety clack in time, singing a railroad nursery rhyme. Engine, engine number four, stopping now at the station door. Passengers wave and say goodbyes, the train lets out a happy sigh.